space, an endless expanse of mystery and wonder. From the dazzling brilliance of supernovae to the eerie silence of intergalactic voids, the universe continues to astonish us. But among all the marvels scattered across the cosmos, one celestial titan stands above the rest. IC 1101, the largest galaxy ever discovered. Spanning a mind-boggling 6 million light-years in diameter, this colossus dwarfs our Milky Way and challenges everything we know about galaxy formation. But what makes IC 1101 so special? How did it grow to such an immense size? And could it be home to planets, stars, or even life? Join us as we embark on a journey across time and space to uncover the secrets of this monstrous galaxy. IC 1101. IC 1101 is a supergiant elliptical galaxy located in the heart of the Abell 2029 galaxy cluster, roughly 1.04 billion light-years away from Earth. It is classified as a CD-type galaxy, a rare and massive type of galaxy typically found at the centers of galaxy clusters, devouring smaller galaxies over billions of years. But how big is IC 1101 compared to other galaxies? Let's put it into perspective. Our Milky Way galaxy has a diameter of about 100 light-years. The Andromeda galaxy, the largest in our local group, spans around 220 light-years. The largest known spiral galaxy, UGC 2885, measures about 800 light-years across. IC 1101, on the other hand, stretches over 6 million light-years in diameter. If it replaced the Milky Way, it would engulf the entire local group of galaxies. Its sheer size challenges our understanding of galactic evolution. But how did IC 1101 become so enormous? The answer lies in galactic cannibalism. Unlike spiral galaxies that form stars from interstellar gas, massive elliptical galaxies like IC 1101 are often the result of multiple galactic mergers. Over billions of years, IC 1101 has consumed countless smaller galaxies, adding their stars and matter to its already vast structure. Astronomers believe this process began over 10 billion years ago, as smaller galaxies collided and merged in the densely packed Abell 2029 cluster. With each merger, IC 1101 grew larger, eventually becoming the behemoth we see today. But this raises a critical question. Will IC 1101 continue to grow, or is it nearing the end of its lifespan? IC 1101 is home to an estimated 100 trillion stars compared to the Milky Way's mere 200 to 400 billion. However, these stars are vastly different from the ones we see in younger galaxies. Most of IC 1101 stars are old, red, and dying. This is because massive elliptical galaxies have very little star-forming gas left. Unlike younger, active galaxies like the Milky Way, where new stars are constantly being born, IC 1101 has already used up most of its star-forming material. This lack of new star formation means that, in the distant future, IC 1101 will gradually fade into darkness, leaving behind only ancient, dim stars and black holes. At the heart of nearly every massive galaxy lies a supermassive black hole, and IC 1101 is no exception. Scientists estimate that IC 1101's central black hole is among the most massive ever discovered, potentially exceeding 100 billion solar masses. This makes it thousands of times more massive than Sagittarius A, the supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way. The gravity of this black hole is so immense that it warps space-time around it, influencing the motion of stars and even entire star clusters. Some astronomers speculate that the extreme gravitational forces in the core of IC 1101 could be a source of ultra-powerful quasars in the distant past. Could there be life in IC 1101? With its trillions of stars, the probability of exoplanets existing is nearly certain. However, the age of the galaxy presents a major challenge. Since most of IC 1101 stars are old and dying, habitable planets would likely exist around red giant or red dwarf stars. Advanced civilizations, if they ever arose in IC 1101, might have developed long before life even began on Earth. It's possible that ancient alien civilizations once thrived in this massive galaxy. Perhaps they even mastered intergalactic travel before fading into obscurity. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, continues to scan galaxies like IC 1101 for any signs of life. But so far, the silence of the universe remains unbroken. As the universe continues to expand, IC 1101 will change. Over the next few billion years, it will keep absorbing smaller galaxies, but star formation will remain low. In 100 billion years, the stars of IC 1101 will grow dim, and the galaxy will become a dark, ghostly remnant. In trillions of years, IC 1101 stars will eventually burn out, leaving behind a vast graveyard of stellar remnants, neutron stars, and black holes. Eventually, even black holes will evaporate due to Hawking radiation, and IC 1101 will become an invisible husk, drifting through an empty universe. IC 1101 is a cosmic titan, a relic of the universe's violent past, and a glimpse into its distant future. While we may never visit this gargantuan galaxy, its existence reshapes our understanding of how galaxies grow, evolve, and fade away. As we continue exploring the cosmos, one thing is certain: there is always more to discover, more questions to ask, and more mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the largest galaxy in the universe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. The universe's vastness is boundless, teeming with uncharted wonders